Yeah.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Yeah. Very good. So you have been writing for various exams, and when did you complete your degree?
Sir, I did graduation in electrical and electronics engineering and I completed it in 2015.
2015. अच्छा. From which college or university?
Sir, it was Rajiv Gandhi Pradyogiki Vishwavidyalaya located in Bhopal and college name was Oriental Institute of Science and Technology.
अच्छा. What is the CGPA or percentage of marks scored by you?
So overall, I got 8.34 CGPA, which is equivalent to 83.4 percentage.
Excellent. That is a good percentage. So, since 2015, I think you have been, say, working somewhere. Don't tell the name of the company. You have been working somewhere, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I was working with an MNC as a software tester.
You was or you are now working?
Yes, sir.
अभी भी
I'm still
काम
working. I'm still associated. Yeah.
अभी भी काम
Yes.
कर रहे हैं. Good, good, बढ़िया, very good. अच्छा, इसमें I think you have done more than 4 years, 7 months, 8 months and all. Good. अच्छा, आपका प्रेजेंट जॉब में क्या जॉब रोल है?
So right now I'm working as a software tester.
गुड. सॉफ्टवेयर टेस्टर का मतलब you will be doing projects connected with India or with other countries.
So right now I am associated with a project named Coach, which is from United States of America.
Acha, acha. Good, good, good. You are doing for foreign this thing. Acha. Good, that's good. Then how many people are working in your team?
Sir, around 12.
12 members are working. Are you a team leader or are you one among the members?
Sir, I'm just a team member.
So why could you not get a team leader promotion within the last 3 or 4 years? How long it takes for one to get promoted to team leadership?
Actually, when I joined, sir, there were people who were more experienced to me.
Oh,
So actually, they are playing a role of team lead in my team.
that is true. That is true. There are people who have done more than 5, 6, 7 years service and all. That is why they are the leaders for you. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. In the job duties, आपने बताया executes test cases under varying circumstances, evaluates test results, detects logs and reports program bugs and glitches, tracks defects. अच्छा, ये बताइए वेरिइंग सर्कमस्टांसेस क्यों बताया? क्या 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 सर्कमस्टांसेस हो सकता है जहां आपको यू आर टेलिंग इट इज वेरिइंग सर्कमस्टांसेस?
Sorry, sir, I didn't get you.
No,
Can
no,
you please come again?
you are told executes test cases under various circumstances.
Yeah.
Execute, yeah.
Yes, sir.
What are the various circumstances you are having in mind?
Like, sir, testing mainly, we do testing mainly related to that functionality testing, sir, in which we do the functional testing of the application.
Mhm.
Suppose if I am in a retail domain, so in retail domain, what happens, sir? Like if an application is there, so at a point of sale, we can have many functionalities. Like whenever customer visits a mall or shop, at the time of doing checkout, they might they might do payment or tender using different cards, like
Mm.
international card, domestic card. They can use credit card, debit card, Visa card, and all. So
Mhm.
there might be some problem related to tender. There
Mm.
might be some problem while relating to scanning an item for the
Mhm.
salesman.
Mm.
That POS scanner will not be able to scan that item. Then there should be some method to execute that
Mhm.
scenarios.
Mhm.
So, and there are
Very,
few more scenarios, sir. So
very good.
we
Very
used
good.
to test all these
Excellent.
scenarios. Yeah.
Excellent. Good. Are you married?
Yes, sir.
Acha, good. What is your wife doing?
She is pursuing PhD.
PhD. Acha, PhD in which
Yeah.
subject?
She is pursuing her PhD in history.
History.
Yeah.
History. How do you like history?
Sir, I don't like much, but yeah.
But now that you are married to a girl who is doing history, you have to say you like it.
Yeah.
हाँ, हिस्ट्री पढ़ने से फायदा क्या होता है उनसे पूछा हिस्ट्री पढ़ने से कैसे
Yes,
यूज
sir.
होगा
We can learn from the past. We can observe the things that had happened in our past,
हम्म,
and we can implement the good things that has changed or made some revolution in the history, so
हम्म,
that in the near future or in the long term, that would be beneficial for human as a whole.
हम्म. Good, very good, very good, very good. How many kids do you have? One or two?
One, sir.
One. How old is the boy or girl?
She is a girl of 3 months old.
Only 3 months.
Yeah,
Oh, Baba. अभी क्या काम कर रहे हो? Is she attempting to turn upside down? और
not started, sir.
attempt नहीं किया. अच्छा, अच्छा. Because the head may not stand stable, na?
Yeah.
That is the reason. Good. Excellent. Now, you want to come to UPSC, EPFO, or have you been writing other UPSC exams also?
Not much, sir. When I passed in the year 2015, I just appeared for UPSC Civil Services exam, but I could not clear the
Hmm.
prelims for it because I was not seriously preparing for that exam.
Mm. So you stopped immediately after that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you got appointment in campus recruitment or what?
Yes, sir. Through campus recruitment.
You got it in campus recruitment. One more person is joining us. I hope it is not a problem for you. We will talk only general
No,
things.
sir.
We will
No, sir.
talk general things for knowledge sake only. Okay,
Yeah.
very
Yeah.
good. So now tell me, what prompted you to apply for EPFO? Is it the salary increase you will get? How much salary you will be getting after supposing you join as, imagine you are selected as enforcement officer. आपको salary कितना होगा roughly?
I have not done much research, sir, but from few sources, I came to know that it will be around 75 to 80,000 per month.
Very good, very good. It will be around 75 to 80. Very nice.
80.
Now, you have cleared how was your testing process? Test was how was it? Written test.
Yes, sir. I'm getting around 65 to 70% of marks in that written exam.
Cut off कितना होगा? पता नहीं.
No idea, sir.
Cut off कितना पता नहीं. अच्छा, ठीक है. No problem. So the advantage here is that you see, now that you are going for this interview, what are the things you are preparing?
So right now, I'm giving more focus to my detailed application form.
Good, because I think
And apart from that,
normally they are asking questions based on that only, mostly.
yeah. And
What is
and
your
apart
father?
from that,
What is? Tell me.
yeah.
Apart from that.
Sorry, sir. Apart from that, I'm also giving some focus to my work experience that I have, and
Very
I'm also working on my hobbies and interest.
Very good.
and I'm looking for my strength and weaknesses, sir.
Super. अच्छा, what is your father? वो क्या काम करते हैं?
Sir, he is a retired employee from Aditya Birla Chemicals India Limited.
Oh, Aditya Birla. अच्छा. Aditya Birla. Correct. Mother is a homemaker or is she working?
Yeah,
Mother is a homemaker.
no, sir.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Very good. Excellent. Now, what are your hobbies?
Sir, I love cycling, and in leisure time, I also do used to solve Sudoku puzzles, sir.
Sudoku puzzles. Achha, what is the advantage of doing Sudoku puzzles for human living?
Yeah, it increases focus or attention, we can say. It enables quick decision making, and it makes us more attentive. And we can also say that it's like it refreshes our mind.
It refreshes our mind. That is good. Excellent. Very good. We have one person here, Oppo A5S. Welcome to our meeting here. What is your basic degree, please? If you want to share, you can share. Oppo.
Hello.
Oppo, what is your degree?
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening. आपका
Sir,
degree?
sir, I have done BSc in mathematics, Bachelor in Science in Mathematics.
Which year did you complete it?
Sir, in 2019.
Acha. After that, you have been preparing for bank exams and all these
Yes, sir.
exams.
Yes, various competitive examinations, sir.
अच्छा, किसी examination में आप interview तक गया है? Or
No, sir.
is this the first interview?
ये सर ये फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू है सर. इससे
May-
पहले कुछ एग्जाम क्लियर किया है, बट सर उसमें प्रीलिम स्टेज ही क्लियर कर पाया था.
Only you could clear only prelim stage, but not the main stage.
Yes, sir.
कोई बात नहीं. Yeah. So now you are from which state?
Sir, I am from Himachal Pradesh.
Oh, good. हिमाचल प्रदेश. अभी बहुत ठंडा होगा उधर. दिसंबर
Yes,
में
sir.
दिसंबर महीना दैट न्यू ईयर में तो इतना ठंडा पड़ेगा. अरे भाई क्या बताएंगे. स्पेशली जनवरी 26 में रिपब्लिक डे का दिन में तो इतना ठंडा पड़ेगा. अरे भाई.
Yes, sir, definitely.
Yeah, I'm telling from my experience in Delhi.
Okay, yes, sir.
Yeah, good. So now you studied maths, physics, chemistry.
Yes, sir.
Which is your favorite subject?
Sir, my favorite subject is mathematics, sir.
Mathematics? Oh, Baba.
Yes, sir.
Good. So can you tell me what is the formula for area of a circle?
Yes, sir. Pi r square, sir.
Okay. What is the value of pi?
Sir, in fractions are 22/7, and in centesimal, sir, 3.14, and go on, sir. A bar, 3.14 bar.
Yeah. It is 3.14, limited to 2 digits. Exactly.
Yes, sir.
What is the volume of a cube?
Sir, volume of a cube is side of cube. Cube of side.
Cube of side.
Yes, sir.
Instead of telling like this, you can say if A is the side
Yes,
of a
sir.
cube, A cube is the answer.
Yes, sir.
What is the volume of a sphere?
Sir, volume of sphere is 4/3 pi r cube, where
Pi-
r is the radius.
Oh, good. 4/3 pi r cube.
Yeah, r cube.
Good,
Yes, sir.
Good. Yesterday I was doing one problem, and it was very interesting. Now tell me, since when you have been trying for this EPFO?
Sir, I am trying since April 2020.
Acha, good. So this is the first time you wrote this exam?
Yes, sir. This is the first time I wrote this exam.
Good. And how many marks are you expecting over the cutoff?
Sir, around 180 to 184.
180 to 184. Total marks
Yes,
kitna hai? 200.
No, sir. 300 out of 300.
Out of 300. Acha. Abhi, Because you said Max is your this thing. In fact, what is your name? Neeraj Kumar, you can also try this sum.
Okay.
A man and a woman. आप लिख दीजिए, आपका कागज में लिख दीजिए. A man and a woman. We will come to interview, but पहले one problem we will do it. A man and a woman working together can
Yes, sir.
do a work in 66 days. समझ गया?
Yes, sir. समझ गए, sir.
Then the ratio of their working efficiencies, the ratio of their working efficiencies is 3:2. Okay. Neeraj, you are there?
Yes, sir, I'm here. Yeah.
Neeraj, you are there. Yeah. 3:2. In how many days? 6 men and 2 women working together can do the same work. I will give you about say 2 minutes, 1.5 to 2 minutes. You try this problem. If you want choice, I can give you. Depends. Choice चाहिए आपको? Oppo?
Yes, sir. You can give us 4 options.
4
Like
options.
MC.
You are used to having 4 options. 18
Yes,
days, 18 days,
Yes, sir.
14 days,
Yes, sir.
15 days, 15
Yes,
days,
sir.
then 12 days.
Yes.
Neeraj Kumar, if you get the answer, keep it with you. And after my telling, please share the answer. You can share it. Okay, Neeraj?
Okay, sir.
I won't give many problems, just because this guy told mathematics, I'm into this. Otherwise, I won't ask. If you have arrived the answer, you can say, I am ready. I think Oppo must be doing it.
Yes, sir. I'm trying.
You are ready. Acha, next we will try for Neeraj. Neeraj, when you are ready, you tell us.
So could you please repeat that options that you shared?
Options I showed you were,
Guys, answer is
you read out, Oppo, you read out the choices.
yes, sir. 18, 14, 15, and 12.
Yeah.
18, 14, 15, 12.
Can I please try, sir?
Yeah, please try.
Is it 15 days?
So you want to try for 15 as the answer. What about our Neeraj Kumar? Sorry, another person. Oppo.
Sorry, sir. I'm trying right now.
Yeah.
Can
You are getting a
you give
different.
4
You are getting a different answer.
No, sir. Since I'm trying, I have not reached that answer. So
You are
please,
right.
can you give me a?
Yeah, I will give you half a minute more. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready with the answer? Yes, please.
Sir, are you asking me?
Yeah,
Sir,
for
my
Oppo. What is your name?
Ritesh, sir. Ritesh.
Ritesh. Ritesh,
Yes,
are
sir.
you Ritesh, are you ready with the answer now?
No, sir. I'm trying, but I was not able to figure it out.
Oh, Baba, you're a max student. You should not take this much time. And now, our friend, Mr. What is his name? He has told the answer correctly. What is his name?
Yeah.
Neeraj.
Congratulations.
Neeraj, can you explain?
Yes, sir. What
Ah.
I did, I
Hmm.
uh, I saw that when they are working together, they
Hmm.
can complete the work in 66 stage,
Hmm.
and their efficiency was 3:2.
Hmm.
So total efficiency is like 5. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5.
Hmm.
So I calculated total number of work days. So
Hmm.
I did 66 into 5. It
Hmm.
it comes around 330.
Hmm.
Okay, so total number of work days is 330.
Hmm.
Then
Total
I was
number of,
given the condition
you are
work
calling it
days.
as
Is
work days. You should call it as units.
yeah, units. It's
Hmm.
coming as 330.
Hmm.
Okay, then the other choice that I had is like we have 6 men plus 2 women.
Hmm.
So if I multiply these with their efficiencies, like men has efficiency 3 is to 2, 3 is to 2 for them. So 6 cross 3 plus 2 into 2.
Hmm.
It total comes around 22.
Hmm.
So in one day they are covering 22 units. So
Hmm.
I divided the total units by their single day unit.
Hmm.
330 by 22, it comes 15.
Super.
Thank you, sir.
Correct.
Thank you, sir.
रितेश, आपको कहां पर आपने गलती कर दिया? आपको you could not get the answer. Ritesh. Hello, Ritesh, are you there online?
Yes, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Audible. Now, where did you commit mistake?
सर सर इसमें मैं कुछ स्टेजेस तक तो पहुंच गया था, जैसे एफिशिएंसी एंड टाइम का रेशियो, बट अभी स्ट्राइक नहीं हो रहा था इन पर्टिकुलर में कि
Yeah,
मतलब
how to go about was not known. So that is the basic problem. Doesn't matter. Now I'll come to you, Ritesh. Ritesh,
Yes, sir.
what is your father?
Sir, my father, what is his occupation?
Yeah. What is your
Okay.
father का मतलब अंग्रेजी में the answer should be what is the work our father is doing.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. My father is farmer. He do farming like apple farming.
Apple farming. Oh, Himachal Pradesh. Acha.
Yes,
Apple
sir. Yes,
farming.
sir.
Very good, very good. Acha, how many laborers are working in his farm?
ये सर पर्टिकुलरली सर ये होमवर्क ही करते हैं सर, घर वाले ही सर कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं
अच्छा,
करते हैं, but
घर वाले कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं, कभी चाहिए तो लेबर लेंगे, करेक्ट?
यस सर, हाँ ये सर फ्रीक्वेंट कभी सर जब लेबर की जरूरत होती है तो हम
या
ऑफर उन्हें यूज कर लेते हैं, बट ऐसा रेगुलरली कोई रखा नहीं है सर.
अच्छा. Do you get apples all through the year or you will get only through some months?
Sir, only in some months like in August or in September month.
In
Then
the
you
month,
can preserve them up to next year, so you can eat
no,
apple in a whole year.
true. Yeah. Acha, you can grow from, you will get it from August and September and it can be used till next year. अच्छा,
Yes sir, you can preserve them.
वो खराब हो जाएगा? नहीं.
नो सर, खराब तो नहीं होता है क्योंकि सर ठंड बहुत रहती है, तो इस वजह से
आपका
यहाँ
जगह पर
सर.
ठंडा है इसलिए खराब नहीं होगा.
यस सर.
ओ गुड. आपका हिमाचल प्रदेश का मार्केट में एप्पल 1 किलोग्राम में बिक्री होता है और नंबर में बिक्री होता है?
सर एक बॉक्सेस होते हैं सर, इसमें जैसे एप्पल्स के अराउंड सर 22 to 25 kg का एक बॉक्स होता है, तो सर डिपेंड करता है उसकी क्वालिटी ऑफ एप्पल पर, तो अराउंड सर उस तरह से बिकता है सर.
एवरेज
इसमें
कितना होगा?
अराउंड सर 1000 to 5000 के बीच में सर.
अरे भाई, तब तो 2-3 हजार रख दीजिए, एवरेज रखने से तो 2500 बोल दीजिए.
यस सर.
मतलब 1 किलो 100 रुपीस बोल दीजिए.
यस सर, अराउंड 80 to 100 rupees.
Oh, good. But in Chennai and all, 1 किलो का दाम होगा 280, 300 like that.
यस सर, क्योंकि
Yeah,
डिमांड एंड
because
सप्लाई.
not only that, because it has to get transported, from there to this place. Good. Yeah, very good. Now let me come to EPFO interview. How many siblings do you have?
Sir, we are 4 siblings, sir.
Pardon?
Sir, 4, sir, 4.
4. Acha, what are they? How many brothers and sisters?
Yes, sir. Total we are 4. Like, sir, I have a 1 twin brother and 2 elder sisters.
No. Total of you 4 का मतलब sibling बोलने से अब 3 बोलना है.
Okay, sir.
So you have a twins brother.
Yes, sir. Twin brother
हाँ.
and sir 2 elder sisters.
Oh, great. Twin brother क्या काम करते हैं?
सर उसने भी EPFO का एग्जाम क्वालिफाई किया और इंटरव्यू की प्रिपरेशन ही कर रहे हैं सर दोनों.
अच्छा, he is also preparing for interview.
Yes, sir.
अभी competition हो जाएगा. Supposing government brings rule, we will give EPFO only for one person per family. किसको देना है? आपको देना है, उनको देना है.
सर जो सर इंटरव्यू पैनल डिसाइड करेगा, जो उनको मोर कैपेबल लगेगा सर उसे मिलना चाहिए सर, जो डिजर्व करता है सर.
Super. Good. Now, what are the things you like in yourself, Ritish? आपको आपका पास में क्या बहुत पसंद है?
Yes, sir. मैं हार्ड वर्किंग हूँ सर. I am disciplined and sir I am also consistent in doing what I want to do. Yes, sir. These are the things. And I also, sir, I am empathetic, sir.
Very good. Excellent. Now I will ask this question to Neeraj Kumar. What do you like in yourself, Neeraj?
The first and foremost thing that I love about myself is, sir, I'm very much punctual towards my work.
Super.
Yeah. And the next thing that always motivates me is this. I'm keen to learn, sir. I always look for some newer technologies or newer knowledge that I can acquire.
Good. Excellent. Then that's all. Only these two. Very good. Doesn't matter. Acha, now come to EPFO. Mr. Ritish Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. EPFO को बारे में आपको क्या जानते हैं? What do you know about EPFO?
Yes, sir. Sir, as we know that EPFO stands for Employee Provident Fund Organization, and sir, it is the world's largest social security organization which provides social security to its members who are connected to the EPFO through the various schemes. And sir, EPFO provide 3 basic schemes like Employee Provident Fund Scheme, Employee Pension Scheme, and sir, Employee Deposit Link Insurance Scheme, through which various member of establishment can link themselves to the EPFO. And sir, it was created in 1952 through the Employee and Provident Fund and Miscellaneous Provision Act of 1952. Yes, and sir, it is a statutory organization under the Ministry of Labor and Employment.
Yeah, very good. Now we will ask Mr. Neeraj to continue. Neeraj, can you continue on this? Apart from the points he has covered, आपको मन में जो आता है बताइए.
Yeah. My friend has correctly called that EPFO is one of the world's largest social security organization. As per the last year data, sir, there were around more than 22 crores active members who are associated with it.
22 crore. Oh, Baba.
Yeah. That's from the formal sector, and still it has not reached to its extent for the informal sector. Yeah. So, and if we calculate the total turnout that makes an that is done in an year for EPFO, it will close to the 50th largest country as per the GDP. That much amount of transaction happens in this organization. And
actually, I don't know what is the total amount with EPFO. So बहुत बड़ा होगा, बहुत बड़ा.
Yeah, it will be. If we calculate, sir, it will be GDP of like 50th country in the world.
Yeah, आपको this point, are you aware? Banking system में कितना total deposit है? कभी आपको ये were you having occasion to know about it?
Sorry, sir.
No idea. Just a minute. I will try to give you CTDI. CTDI नवंबर का इश्यू आता है मेरा पास. इसमें से हम देख रहा हूँ लास्ट में जाएगा Neeraj Kumar and also what is your name? Ritish. If I tell you the figure, आपको you will be perplexed. आप लिख दीजिए, आप लिख दीजिए. शेड्यूल्ड कमर्शियल बैंक में कितना डिपॉजिट है जानते हैं? 1,55,49,047 crore. अच्छा, अभी I am giving it in our chat also. हाँ, chat में देता है in crores. समझ गया? देख लिया? Did you see that? Yeah. Next, शेड्यूल्ड कमर्शियल बैंक में टोटल क्रेडिट कितना होता है? आप लिख दीजिए 1,09,109,10416. 109 अभी देता है, इसमें देता है this many crores. इतना रुपया है जी. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, why I am asking this figure, and the credit deposit ratio is 68.93. CD ratio बोलता है, मतलब loans is to deposits का ratio 68.93. और रहने दीजिए, but हम क्यों आपको total deposit figure सब दिया है? And this figure must be having the deposit of EPFO also, because EPFO co deposit cannot go outside banking system in one form or other. It may be in the name of EPFO or it may be in the form of government securities or something like that. So the figure is something very huge, which we don't know. Anyhow, doesn't matter. Good. Which ministry is looking after this, Neeraj?
So it comes under the Ministry of Labor and Employment.
Good. Who is the minister now?
Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan, sir.
Correct. I will ask our friend Ritish, are you sure it is Dharmendra Pradhan?
I think it's Bhupender Yadav.
Acha. Why there is a difference now? Google,
Sorry, sir. Yeah.
Let us check.
My friend is correct. Yeah.
You are right. He is right.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Sorry.
Union Minister List 2021. I am getting it now. Wikipedia से देख रहा हूँ. Wikipedia. What is the minister? Minister of Commerce and Industry, Minister of Law and Justice, Minister of Agriculture, Health, Minister of Labor, Bhupender Yadav. Correct? Yes, yeah, अच्छा. Neeraj जो बोला not correct. Bhupender Yadav. Bhupender Yadav. Good. No problem. Doesn't matter. Now, what is the contribution made by EPFO? I will ask both of you separately. You can tell whatever comes to your mind. पहले who will start? Our Ritish. अब बताइए EPFO देश को क्या करता है?
Yes, sir. जैसा कि सर मैंने पहले भी कहा, EPFO का जो सर प्राइम वर्क है सोशल सिक्योरिटी प्रोवाइड करना है लेबर क्लास ऑफ इंडिया जो सर मेंबर होते हैं वेरियस एस्टेब्लिशमेंट के जहाँ पर EPF एक्ट एप्लीकेबल होता है थ्रू सर जो वेरियस मेंबर है EPFO के वो सिक्योर रहते हैं इन फ्यूचर अनसर्टेनिटी. सो सर इट इज द प्राइम वर्क ऑफ EPFO थ्रू विच EPFO सिक्योर द लाइव्स ऑफ millions of people who are living in India and working if there is any uncertainty in the future, so they can be feel secure. Like we have seen recently, like pandemic of COVID, and there can also be some other circumstances, so they can deal it with without any fear.
Good.
So that is coming in my
very
into
good.
my mind.
Now we'll go to Neeraj. Neeraj,
Yes, sir.
what is the contribution of EPFO to our country?
Sir, it is a social security organization. So the prime objective for framing this organization was to provide social security benefits to the persons who are employed, like at the time of doing employment or in the service during the service. people enjoy their life, but after the retirement, there was not much prevalent organization who was taking care of them. So what government decided in the year 1952, so they will be providing one social security benefit which will cover their pensions, like they will be giving some monetary benefits in return of their investment that they will be contributing during their service. So they will give some amount as a provident fund amount. They will also give some insurance to them, so that they can be taken care by the government and they can lead their life, whole life, very in a happy,
Very
or
good.
we can say in a very easy way.
Acha, I try to look into the deposit linked insurance scheme वगैरह. Could you get some details about it? कई जगह पर मिला तो आप हम लोग का टेलीग्राम पेज में भी डाल दीजिए. Neeraj and Ritesh, could you get some details about that?
No, sir, about EDIL.
हाँ जी.
Sir, EDIL is a scheme, like if any employer, sir, अगर वो किसी एक particular scheme में cover होता है, then automatically he is covered under all the three schemes which is provided by EPFO. And sir, monthly contribution जो sir EPFO का होता है, जो EDIL में जाता है particularly, वो 0.5% of contribution जो sir employer करता है, वो sir उसमें जाता है. और सर इन केस एनी सर जो सर प्रोविजन होते हैं सर डिफरेंट प्रोविजन, तो सर वो एक्यूमुलेटेड फंड दिया जाता है सर एट द टाइम ऑफ एक्सीडेंट या एनी अदर थिंग जो EDIL का होता है. और मैक्सिमम जो अमाउंट है जो इंश्योरेंस की वो 7.5 लाख है. सॉरी सर 7 है सर.
7.5 lakh.
नो सर सॉरी सर 7 लाख सर.
Acha, is it being run along with LIC or which organization is taking care of it?
I think as per my limited knowledge, sir, EPFO by itself is handling
Doing this
thing.
one. अच्छा, we will check up with नीरज. नीरज, आपको कुछ क्लियरेंस है इसमें?
Sorry sir,
No idea ना. This question I am leaving to, I think I once this video comes, others who are listening may be able to give their views, their suggestions on this. I tried to locate it, I could not get it. Doesn't matter, no problem. We'll try to get it in due course. Okay. Acha, now we will come to Neeraj Kumar. Can you please tell me the organization structure of our EPFO?
okay sir. So basically it comes under Ministry of Labor and Employment, and that minister acts as a chairman of this organization. Under that chairman we have Central Provident Fund Commissioner. Under that Central Provident Fund Commissioner we have Regional Provident Fund Commissioner. And under that we have so Regional Provident Fund Commissioner, we have two categories, 1 and 2. And below that we have Assistant Provident Fund Commissioner. And below that we have the posting of Enforcement Officer and Account Officer.
Good. Now what about our Ritesh? Can you tell from your point of view?
Yes sir. सर EPF होता है सर, इसका जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन होता है इसमें चेयरमैन होता है वो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ लेबर एंड एम्प्लॉयमेंट के मिनिस्टर होता है जिसे हम चेयरमैन कहते हैं. एंड सर एक एक्स ऑफिशियो एक सर इसमें फिर जो सर EPFO को और रन किया जाता है उसे सर सेंट्रल बोर्ड ऑफ ट्रस्टी कहते हैं. उसमें सर वेरियस मेंबर होते हैं, अराउंड 43 मेंबर होते हैं आई थिंक, जहाँ तक मैं रिकॉल कर पा रहा हूँ. एंड सर जो सेंट्रल बोर्ड ऑफ ट्रस्टी है ये रन करता है पूरे EPFO को. और जो सेंट्रल बोर्ड ऑफ ट्रस्टी है इसके जो एक्स ऑफिशियो मेंबर होते हैं हमारे सेंट्रल प्रोविडेंट फंड कमिश्नर वो होते हैं. ये सर मैं जो अभी स्ट्रक्चर जो मैं याद कर पा रहा हूँ EPFO का.
Yeah, that's what I also see here. The promotional hierarchy in UPSC EPFO, enforcement officer or accounts officer, Neeraj, please listen, followed by assistant PF commissioner, followed by a regional PF commissioner 2, a regional PF commissioner 1, then additional central PF commissioner, and like that it goes. And this is what the hierarchy given as far as your promotions are concerned. Is UPSC EO is a gazetted officer? Neeraj?
No sir. It's
Is
not
it
a
not?
gazetted post.
What about Ritesh? Do you think it's a gazetted officer?
No, sir, it is not an gazetted post.
It's not a gazetted officer post. Yeah. Is Ritesh, is EPFO a central government job?
Yes, sir. It's definitely a
Oh.
central government job.
Hmm? What about
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Neeraj? What is your answer for this?
EPFO is an autonomous body, so we
Hmm.
cannot say that it's a pure government job. It
Hmm.
is an autonomous body, sir.
Ah, Ritesh,
But it is a Group B
Ritesh,
non-ministerial post.
Ritesh, correct कर दीजिए. The
Okay,
Central
okay.
Board of Trustees (EPF) is a statutory body constituted by the central government and the provisions of Section 5A of Employees Provident Funds and Miscellaneous Provisions Act 1952. The tenure of the board is 5 years. It is not a government job.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you very much for correcting.
Yeah. Who is the head of EPFO, Neeraj?
Sir, chairman is our minister,
No, I'm asking Chief Executive Officer.
and she is the lady. Her name is Neelam Shimma Roy.
Neelam Shami Rao.
Yeah.
Very good, very good. You told correctly. Neelam Shami Rao is the name. Acha. What is the expansion of APFC?
Sir,
Ah.
it stands for Assistant Provident Fund Commissioner.
Super. Good. Exactly. Very nice. Now tell me, Mr. Neeraj, this video may come to an end anytime, maybe another 5 minutes. If it stops, don't worry. Next time, when time permits, we can meet. Okay. Or every day, normally, people come, say today at what time I started, 9 ka matlab 7. Was it 8:30? Was it
7:30.
7:30 or 7:30? 7:30 करेगा.
It was 7:30.
Yeah,
Yeah.
7:30 में meet करेगा हम लोग. And
Sir, I would
whomsoever,
like to
yeah,
hear feedback, sir.
yeah,
I would like to hear feedback from you, sir.
Neeraj,
Yeah.
Neeraj, you are answering very well. Absolutely no problem. You are answering very well. And in fact, our friend Ritesh,
Ritesh.
Ritesh is also doing well, because normally बिहार का लड़का लोग इतना अच्छा अंग्रेजी बात नहीं करते हैं, लेकिन ये तो कॉन्फिडेंटली बात करता है. That way it is good. You are an engineering graduate. आप बात करना तो not very नया चीज है, and you are working in a software company, so you have advantage of English. So now I wanted to ask 1-2 questions. एक minute आप लोग आंसर देना है. First, Ritesh, please tell me, why should we give preference to you?
Yes, sir. Sir, as I can think that I am hardworking, I can also give my 100% in EPFO, and also work for a low set of our country. And also, sir, after I have cleared this examination, this is a regret stage, and also my fellow candidate have also cleared this exam. So I do think that I can, by giving this job to me, you can do justice. Yes, yes, sir. That's my answer to it.
Okay, very good. Neeraj Kumar.
Yes, sir. So, to answer this question, sir, first I
Yeah.
would like to expose my strength, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, I am an honest guy.
Hmm.
I have the habit of task delegation. I don't take all the tasks on my head. So
Hmm.
this makes tasks easier.
Hmm.
Sir, I have the habit of team building and sense of brotherhood, and I always feel that I am cordial to others, team members. I never get angry. I am very much adaptable to the situation that I am exposed to. I look for opportunities to learn everywhere from everyone. Sir, I am very hard worker. I do not take any random decisions. Rather, I discuss with my teammates if that is of ultra priority importance. Sir, I am very much flexible. I can walk at any point of time. Like I can walk in day, night, weekend, weekdays. Anything will work for me. Sir, I have always a positive approach. So all these qualities makes me suitable for the position that I'm going to absorb. So I find it more suitable for me, sir.
Very good, very good. Who is the Ritesh? Who is the Corporate Affairs Minister, Union Government? Hello,
Sorry, sir, I was not able to recall the name.
Neeraj.
Sorry, sir. Also don't know the name.
It is Finance and Corporate Affairs.
Yeah.
Can
Who
I
is the-
guess?
She is
Yeah.
Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman.
Correct.
Raman.
Mrs. Nirmala Sita Raman. Good. Excellent. Now each of you will tell about your native place briefly for half a minute. Neeraj, your native place.
Yeah, sir. I come from Jahanabad district, which is in Bihar. Sir, earlier, if we see about the historical importance of that place, it was in the Magad kingdom, which is not very far from the Buddhist place, that Bodh Gaya. It is in the vicinity of that place, sir. In my native place, there is one famous cave which was built by King Emperor Asoka. It is the Barabar caves.
Very good, very good. Now we will go to our Ritesh. I'm sorry, we will continue next time. Ritesh, आप
Okay,
बताइए आपका बारे में.
Yes, sir. As I already told you that, sir, I belong to the Himachal Pradesh, and particularly I belongs to the district Shimla of Himachal Pradesh, and my village is around 70 kilometer from the Shimla, and that is my native place. Yes, sir.
Good.
That's it.
Yeah, you are from Himachal Pradesh. That's why you are good in English. Good, good, good. Best wishes. Thank you.
Sir, I have
Yeah,
one question.
yeah.
सर मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ सर, कैन आई गिव माय इंटरव्यू इन इंग्लिश, बिकॉज सर मैं सोचता हूँ सर कि मुझे इंटरव्यू हिंदी में देना चाहिए, क्योंकि
Yeah.
क्यों सर?
You can give, you first send message through our WhatsApp group. You know my WhatsApp number, na? 80721 77482.
यस सर.
इस नंबर को व्हाट्सएप में डाल के हमको मैसेज दे दीजिए. इफ यू वांट सेपरेट इंटरव्यू, I can conduct it also for you. No problem.
यस सर.
Yeah, as it is, Neeraj, today is what day? Thursday, na?
Yeah, it's 29th September. Yeah.
29. Okay, possibly we can meet on 31st. 31st night. 31st night around 7:30 we will meet. 30th we will give leave. Okay.
So
No
till
problem.
then, any suggestions, sir? Any